It's going to be a messy Christmas morning for a lot of folks. And Dave, you made a really good point. We really have to focus on clearing this because temperatures are going to drop to the point where it's going to become a solid sheet of ice if you don't.
That's right. So, you know, in Boston, you probably won't have to clean up very much. There may be a little bit of slush here at the end, but inland areas and not very far inland, we're not talking 495, we're talking just to the east and west of 128. Get that slush cleaned up today because tonight it goes down into the teens. And I don't think we go above freezing for, it could be 7 to 10 days before we're above freezing again. So it's not going anywhere. And what about snow? Well, we've had a few years. These are the years with 1 inch or more at Logan Airport of snow. Some of these years the snow's come later on in the day. Some it's come a little bit earlier. But you can see it doesn't happen very much. And I don't think Logan Airport's going to end up with an inch this year. It's just probably just going to be a little bit right at the end. So it's a messy morning, quick-hitting storm, rain and snow. Watch the trees with the ice on them because as the winds kick up this afternoon, and also there's still some leaves on the trees, and you have heavy wet snow, especially in the 128-495 belt, where temperatures are right around freezing. There could be some power outages and also some tree damage. So as we look through the next several hours, we're going to move this through to 10 o'clock this morning. At that point, that's when, if Boston is going to coat the ground and become white, that's when it's going to happen. It will be not an official white Christmas because it will happen after 7 o'clock in the morning, and the observation when it's taken, it has to be an inch on the ground, and it won't be. But there could be a little bit of snow here to add to the festivities, and then I'll move this ahead to 12:30, and it's out of here. So you can see at that point, if you're headed up into Maine, it will still be raging up there with quite a bit of snow from Portland on through Augusta and Waterville and Rockland and all down east as well as northern Maine. But here we'll just have clouds and maybe a couple of leftover flurries, and by the time we get to 6:30, the sun's probably out. Not at 6:30 because it's already down, but at 4 o'clock it's probably out, and you can probably see it set. The winds are really going to be howling this afternoon. And even though it remains clear the next couple of days, winds will continue tomorrow. Not as strong as they will be today, but strong enough in northern New England that I've been mentioning there could be some lift holds if you're planning on skiing. So here's the accumulation map. Notice it goes from mainly rain all the way above 6 inches. And here's that swath in the middle. And, you know, it really depends on exactly what town you're in and what section of the town you're in. Winter storm warnings in effect to the north as well as Worcester County. Winter weather advisories are in effect elsewhere. We have a high wind warning for the Cape, and we have a wind advisory for Boston and back towards the west. And the slopes forecast, boy, it looks chilly here. Heavy snow today, and look at tomorrow. Northern New England, southern New England will be in the teens and 20s, but northern New England with lift holds only around 7. And here we go with that 7-day forecast, speaking of 7. Notice temperature on Thursday, Nick, only 12. That's Logan Airport, 12, 13. That could be the coldest day we have all winter long. Temperatures may go below 0 for Friday morning.